Hi, today, that is 20th September 2019, our Honorable Union Minister for Finance and Corporate Affairs, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, during press conference at Goa, made some announcements in regard to amendment in Income Tax Act. It states, in order to promote growth and investment with effect from financial year 2019-20, the income tax rate for corporates has been reduced to 22%, subject to the condition that they will not avail any exemption or incentive. Thus, the effective rate of tax for these companies shall be 25.17% inclusive of surcharge and cess. And also, such companies shall not be required to pay minimum alternative tax, that is MAT. And in order to attract fresh investment in manufacturing sector and thereby provide boost to Make in India initiative of Government of India, another new provision has been inserted in the Income Tax Act with effect from financial year 2019-20, which allows new domestic company incorporated on or after 1st October 2019 making fresh investment in manufacturing an option to pay income tax at the rate of 15% has been provided. This benefit is available to companies which do not avail any exemption or incentive and commences their production on or before 31st March 2023. Thus, the effective tax rate for these companies shall be 17.01% inclusive of surcharge and cess. And also, such companies shall not be required to pay minimum alternative tax MAT. And a company which does not opt for the concessional tax regime and avails the tax exemption or incentive shall continue to pay the tax at predetermined rate. However, those companies can opt for the concessional tax regime after expiry of their tax holiday or exemption period. After the exercise of this option, they shall be liable to pay tax at the rate of 22%, and option once exercised cannot be subsequently withdrawn. Further, in order to provide relief to companies which continue to avail exemption or incentives, the rate of minimum alternative tax has been reduced from existing 18.5% to 15%.